Hello, this is Joshua from Pixelmake. We've got a quick update for you guys. We are happy to announce that one of our customizable spaceships, the Airwing, is available to download on Sketchfab. Our artist Wu Ju has been hard at work designing, modelling and texturing this very slick spaceship. You can find him on Instagram at wu.ju.digital. Like our other ship, each part is detachable, which allows you guys to create your own variant of the ship, or you can just blow it up. That's up to you. This ship has full PBR textures and has a really cool green emission map to go with it. For use in your own projects or in conjunction with our tutorials, we hope you have fun using our ship. And before I go, available next week, we'll be releasing the Sun Falcon skin variant for this ship, which will also be available on Sketchfab. As well as this ship, we have many asset packs available to download on Unity Asset Store and Sketchfab. So to download this ship and any of our other asset packs, follow the links in the description below. For updates on our asset packs or any of our other content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. That's all from me. My name is Joshua Mutu and thanks for watching.